Hello friends, I am Manak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel. So friends, in this video, we'll discuss about the demolition of buildings. So friends, demolition is basically the destruction of a structure so that it can be replaced by a new structure in that place. So basically, if we have a land and we want to remove an old building so that we can construct a new one, this process is known as demolition. Or we want to remove a part of a building so we can do some new work, this also comes under demolition. Now, demolition is basically of two types: explosive and non-explosive. In explosive demolition, we use explosives such as dynamites for the demolition purpose. In non-explosive demolition, we can use equipments such as jackhammer, drills, reciprocating saw. As you can see here, this is a jackhammer. We can also use reciprocating saw, angle grinders, and the cutters are also different like diamond cutters. And for demolition on a large scale, we can use backhoe loader, which is also called JCB because the company name is JCB. So backhoe loader or wrecking balls, bulldozer, which are commonly used for large scale demolition. For small scale demolition, you can use jackhammers. As you can see, they are using this jackhammers because they don't want to structurally damage it. They want to cut this portion locally. So they are using jackhammers. Here also they are demolishing. Now, what is the process of this demolition? How to start demolition of a building? First of all, we have to conduct a survey. That is, a survey is conducted on the building, considering its structural aspects. That is how the building was built. If it is a load bearing structure, it will not have any reinforcement. So there will be a different process and plan for the execution of the demolition at that case. So after the survey is conducted, then we have to remove the hazardous materials. The hazardous materials may include petroleum or any other chemical which may be hazardous. We have to remove those hazardous materials first. After the removal of the hazardous materials, we prepare plan for the execution of the demolition. So all the workers are summoned and the plan is presented for the demolition purpose. And then safety. As you can see here, these reinforcements. So safety of the workers is a major concern in any demolition works. So the safety measures are also discussed by the engineer in charge who is in charge of the demolition works. So that's all for today. See you in another video, and if you like to see these kinds of videos more, please comment below and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.